Yo guys, Jason here, and a couple weeks ago a random company floated into my Gmail telling me that they wanted to send over a pair of headphones that cost less than 10 bucks. As you could probably guess, I was very skeptical, but after trying them out, I can conclusively say they are freaking awesome and are probably the best bass headphones ever for under $10.
Okay, cutting right to the important stuff, these headphones can sound really good, but to be totally honest with you guys, they don't sound that good out of the box. However, as I was testing these headphones out and listening to some music, I decided to see if I could tweak around the equalizer to maybe add some more bass or thickness to the sound. And after adjusting a few levels and switching to sound mode, these headphones went from less than mediocre to really good. Feel free to take a look at the settings I'm using with these headphones right now, because this honestly makes all the difference. With these settings, you get a nice amount of bass, a full and enveloping sound signature, and still maintain adequate levels of clarity. It doesn't exactly make sense why these headphones aren't tuned out of the box, because they're rocking 40mm drivers, which could potentially sound just as good as headphones 10 times as much. But at least you know with a little tweaking, you can get these headphones to sound amazing.
Moving on to build quality, sorry to disappoint you, but those copper-colored metallic parts of the unit are not metal and are plastic. But that doesn't mean the entire design is bad though, because there are a lot of really nice design touches here, like not plastering a giant obnoxious logo on there. Also, the adjustable headband mechanism feels really solid, and the plush padding and faux leather just make for an overall nice feeling pair of headphones.
Now, it should go without saying, but these headphones are not wireless or Bluetooth or anything, so you're stuck with an old school 3.5mm headphone jack, so my apologies iPhone 10 and Pixel owners. So there you have it, a $10 pair of headphones that actually sound good. I'm impressed. If you are too and want to get your hands on a pair of these guys, you'll need the coupon code in the video description below to knock that price down from I think around $25 all the way down to $9.99. Please smash that subscribe button, which is also right below this video, and I will catch you in the next video.